Hey guys, so I'm just gonna give you a quick overview of the Sofitel El Gezirah hotel in Cairo. So as you walk in, you have the bathroom on your left. As you can see over there, it's a clean bathroom. I am checking out today, so I thought I'd just give you a rundown of how it was and what you can expect. So there is an overhead shower. It is in the bath though, so just be mindful of that. It's not a separate shower. And you have your toilet over there and your basin over there with the light. So as you pull back out, this is the entrance, and as you walk in, you can see the bedroom. It is a comfy bed. It's a king size. I didn't have any issues sleeping. It was quite comfortable. This is the premium king size suite. You can see over there, you have your TV. You have like a mini table over here with two chairs. You can pull out the table and you can extend that. You have a mini bar. You do have aircon. You can open this over here, check what's in the mini bar. There's some Pringles on the side, some cool drink. And yeah, I did find this to be the best hotel for myself in Cairo, purely because of the location. The view is stunning. You're at the end of the island, right in the middle of the Nile. Everything, the pool area, the place that you sit for breakfast, everything, you're literally sitting on the Nile. So that makes it quite unique and special. And all the floors are quite high, so you get a superb view of Cairo. I have the back view over here, as you can see. Gonna have a look over there. That's the pool area. Have a look. So there's like an infinity pool into the Nile. Let's pull them out over here. And this is the view of Cairo. We have the Cairo Tower over there, the Nile on both sides, and these are your balconies over here. We have the daybed, sleeping couch. But yeah, that's just basically what it looks like from the inside. I would definitely recommend this place. Even after being in Cairo, I do think that what it has to offer compared to all the other hotels in terms of location, view, and just overall pleasantness at the hotel, things to do, it is definitely a winner. And I hope this helps you in your decision. Bye.